Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you the concept of A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash parameters. These are also called as inverse transmission parameters. And this is the two-port network shown. This black box represents a network, and we have two ports here, 1 dash, 2 dash. 1 dash is one port, 2 dash is one port. It is a pair. Port is a pair of terminals in which signal can be entered or can be left. V1 and I1 are the variables related to port 1. V2 and I2 are the variables related to port 2. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash parameters are described by the equations. V2 equal to A dash V1 minus B dash I1. I2 equal to C dash V1 minus D dash I1. Matrix representation can be written as V2 I2 A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is V1 I1. We can define the parameters like A dash equal to B dash equal to C dash equal to D dash equal to. For this, let me rewrite the equations, main equations. V2 equal to A dash V1 minus B dash I1. I2 equal to C dash V1 minus D dash I1. From the main equations, I can write A dash equal to V2 by V1 when I1 equal to 0, and B dash can be written as V2 by I1 when V1 equal to 0, and C dash can be written as I2 by V1 when I1 equal to 0, and D dash can be written as I2 by I1 when V1 equal to 0. For B dash and D dash, we'll have minus sign, because here in the main equations we have minus sign. Let me define each and every variable. A dash equal to V2 by V1 when I1 equal to 0. I1 equal to 0 condition means we should replace the word open circuit. And look at the ratio. It is port 2 variable to port 1 variable ratio. So it is considered as forward. And here the ratio is V by V. So it is a voltage gain. A is defined as A dash is defined as open circuit forward voltage gain. Next, B dash. Here the condition is V1 equal to 0. So we should write it as short circuit. Second port to first port, output port to input port. So we'll consider it as again forward. And the ratio is V by I. And as we are taking this ratio with the port 2 variable to port 1 variable, we'll write it as a transfer. V by I is impedance. B dash is defined as short circuit forward transfer impedance. Next, C dash. Condition is I1 equal to 0. So we'll write here open circuit. Then look for the ratio of these two, port 2 variable to port 1 variable. It is considered as forward, and the ratio is I by V. I by V means admittance. As we are taking the ratio of variables at two different ports, we will use the word transfer admittance. C dash is defined as open circuit forward transfer admittance. Next, D dash. Condition is V1 equal to 0. So we'll consider it as short circuit, and ratio is port 2 to port 1, that is output port variable to input port variable. That is considered as forward. Then look for the variables I by I. It is nothing but current gain. D dash is defined as short circuit forward current gain. This is how we can define the parameters A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. That's all for this video. Thank you.